Hi everyone, it's Rob here and I'm back with another Unity tutorial. And have you ever wondered how to make a sprite go from visible to invisible, possibly on a button click? Well, I'm going to show you how you could change the visibility of your sprites with one line of code today. So what I've done here is I've created a new sprite. I've done this by going to Game Object, 2D Object, Sprite. Then I decided to come over here and to change the graphic to the UI sprite, one of the default sprites that comes with Unity. I left the material as default. If you watch one of my earlier tutorials, you'll know that we could change this to a custom material that we create to have lighting reflect off of our object and for the lighting to actually interact with the sprites. Now, what I'm going to show you today, I've written a little script here. I've called it Sprite Visibility Script. We have a rend variable, which is going to access our sprite renderer component, and we're setting this equal to this script's game object, so the game object that this script is attached to, and we're saying .getComponent sprite renderer. Next, we're saying down here that if we press the Q key, we want the renderer.enabled to equal not renderer.enabled. Now, if you saw my little rigid body tutorial, which spoke about I did a similar thing with isKinematic. This is basically a toggle. So when we press the Q key, rend.enabled could be one of two things, true or false. Each time we press this key, if it's true, it's going to go to false. If it's false, it's going to go to true. It's going to toggle back and forth between true and false, those two Boolean values, every time we press the Q key. Take a look as follows. So I've hit play, and you'll see that right now my sprite is visible. I'm going to hit the Q key now. My sprite is invisible. Hit the Q key again, it's visible, invisible, visible, invisible, visible, invisible. Right? I could keep hitting this Q key and changing it from visible to invisible. And you'll notice over here on our inspector that the sprite renderer component keeps getting checked and unchecked. Now that's an indication that we're accessing that component to make it visible and invisible. Thank you for watching this tutorial, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please check out some of my other tutorials.